Hi, I'm Catherine with The Old Country Porch, and today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable sweater pumpkins without using a sewing machine. So I have a few thrifted sweaters that I thought the colors would make good fall pumpkins. So I'm going to take the arm of one of the sweaters and cut a section out. Then I'm going to flip it inside out. So this is the type of string that I'm using for these. These won't need a really heavy duty string. So I've got my piece of string and I'm just going to take one of the ends and bunch it up. And tie my string around it. I'm going to flip it and tie it again on the other side just to make sure that it's secure. And I am using a polyfill stuffing. Just want to fluff it up. Then I'm taking another piece of string and I'm just going to weave in and out to close the top. And I'm just going to tighten this enough so I can still get my finger in. And you can tuck the sweater inside so you have a nice clean seam. I'm going to take a nice long piece of string and a long needle. I'm going to go in the top and come straight out the bottom. Pull it tight, and that's going to give you your ridges. And you can do a knot at the bottom of each one of these so that it keeps your ridges nice and tight. And then you keep doing that around the pumpkin until you have all of your ridges. So next is the stem, and there are a ton of things that you can use for your stems. I like to use just a piece of stick, but you can use a wine cork, cinnamon stick, you can roll up a piece of felt. I'm just going to put some hot glue down in the middle of mine and stick my stick in. And if you like the way your pumpkin looks like this, then you can stop here. Or there are a ton of different ways that you can decorate the tops of these. And the first way I like to decorate mine is to put a little vine on it. And I either use a craft wire or a pipe cleaner. We'll use a pipe cleaner for this one. I'm just going to cut it a little bit shorter. And then using a paintbrush, I'm going to wrap it around on each side. And add a little bit of hot glue to hold it into place. And you can do the same thing with the craft wire. And I'm going to take some raffia for this one and wrap it around the stem. And I'll put a little glue to make sure that stays in place. For this one, I'm going to use my craft wire. And I'm going to put a burlap leaf and hot glue that on there. And for this one, I'm going to use some twine. I just love how easy these are to make and how customizable they are. You can really use your imagination and decorate these exactly to fit your own style and decor. They're the perfect little accent piece for your fall decor. If you like this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.